for a client, Jose. He brought us his Toyota MR2 for a full restoration. So we have taken a 3S GTE 5th gen Caldina motor, and we have torn it apart and started to paint the block. So this is kind of where we're at so far. This is day 2, so I let it cure for a day-ish. But I wanted to come back out here and touch it up because there are things that I'm sure that I couldn't get because the sun was going down and just couldn't see. But if you guys see from an angle, you guys can still see some spots that have open rust. So what I want to do is I want to make sure I cover those things because I don't want it to rust anymore. So guys, let's just jump into today's episode. That's not what we're going to focus on, but what we are going to do is change all this stuff out here. So what I'm going to do is put you guys again on a time lapse just so you guys can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it all in one angle just so then it could be easy for somebody to follow in case you guys wanted to follow at home or do it yourself. So guys, let's just jump into it and let's go. Alrighty, everybody. As you guys seen with the Liberty of time lapse, you guys were able to see me rebuild this motor. So basically, I didn't fully rebuild it. What I did was change out basically all the seals in the timing belt. We changed out the water pump as well. We changed out the oil pump seals and the actual seals for the actual gears themselves. Changed out the seal behind here. We still have quite a few different seals to go. We have the rear main seal, but we can't do that until we start putting on the transmission, where we're going to then go ahead and put on the clutch, pressure plate, and stuff like that. But guys, it's coming out pretty dang good. So new water pump, new oil seals all around. I checked the crank sensor. Crank sensor looks good. New tensioner, new Toyota belt. New seals behind the camshafts. We're looking good, guys. This thing is nice and refreshed. Actually, refresh is probably a better word for this motor. So this is perfectly refreshed and put back together. I did not pull the pin just yet because I'm not ready to do that. But guys, this thing is looking phenomenal. So thank you again for watching, everybody. Again, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you take care of yourselves and each other. Make sure you check out nastyaddictiongarage LLC.com and make sure you check out the Teespring account. Guys, check it out. Teespring account. NAG has a store on there, so you guys have to check it out. We have tons and tons and tons of merch on there. So make sure you check it out. Again, peace Like, share, subscribe. Take care of yourselves and each other. Until next time.